Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating the meeting while confirming key prerequisites so you don't interrupt flow. Sign in to Teams on desktop or web, then open Calendar and click New Meeting or Meet Now. Add a concise title, pick date and time, and invite participants. Include dial-in details if needed. Once done, select Channel or Private Meeting, set permissions for presenters versus attendees, and toggle the lobby setting so you control who joins. This avoids last-minute access problems. Next, you configure devices and participant roles to ensure smooth execution. Open Settings, then Devices to pick your mic, speakers, and camera, and run test call so audio levels are right. Make sure camera framing is clear. Assign presenter or attendee roles to control who shares content, and restrict screen sharing in meeting options if you need focus. Once configured, upload agenda and important files to the meeting chat or files so attendees can download it. When running the meeting, begin promptly and set expectations. Announce agenda and whether you'll record. Share your screen or use PowerPoint Live for crisp slides. Leveraging the presenter view keeps notes private while attendees see slides. Use reactions, chat, and raise hand to manage questions and create breakout rooms for focused work. At the end, summarize action items, assign owners, and stop the recording. If something goes wrong, check device permissions first, then rejoin the meeting from the Teams app. That fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.